In a major boost to India's armored core, the Ministry of Defence has signed rupees 2095.70 crore contract with Bharat Dynamics Limited for procurement of Invar anti-tank guided missiles. These are laser-guided missiles that can be fired directly from the gun barrel of T-90 tank. This gives India's frontline armor a decisive edge against heavily protected enemy vehicles. So what the Invar missile brings to the battlefield and why this contract matters for Atmanirbharta as well as combat readiness, let's take a look. Ministry of Defence at South Block inked a major contract with Bharat Dynamics Limited worth rupees 2095.70 crores. Procurement of INVAR anti-tank guided missiles. The agreement was signed in presence of Defence Secretary Rajesh Kumar Singh, marking another step in upgrading India's mechanized firepower. The Invar missile is designed to be launched 125 mm gun barrel of the T-90 tank. The backbone of India's armoured regiment. A sophisticated laser-guided anti-tank system, the missile brings very high hit probability against stationary as well as moving targets. The missile known as Invar 3UBK-20 can take down armoured vehicles equipped with explosive reactive armour, a key requirement in modern mechanized warfare. Its maximum range of 5 km. For armoured units, this means engaging enemy tanks beyond their effective firing range and striking with precision before the adversary even closes in. Mechanized operations demand speed, mobility and accuracy. With Invar, the T-90 platform becomes significantly more lethal, capable of hitting fortified armour while on the move. The system sharpens India's anti-armour punch, especially along hostile sectors where armoured clashes are a real possibility. The procurement falls under Buy India category, meaning the missile meets stringent indigenous content requirements that are 50% indigenization if designed and developed in India, or 60% indigenous content if not originally Indian designed. The Bharat Dynamics Limited manufactures the system under technical collaboration with Rosoboron Export of Russia, blending Indian production expertise with proven global technology. The ministry says the deal reflects government's continued push to meet Army's requirement by leveraging the capabilities of Indian defence PSUs, while encouraging niche technologies through domestic industry. With the Invar project, Indian industry gains deeper expertise in advanced guidance, warhead technology and missile integration, skills essential for future ATGM programs. For India's armoured core, this contract is more than a replenishment. It's a qualitative upgrade, ensuring that frontline T-90 regiments remain equipped for high-intensity warfare across deserts, plains and high-altitude sectors. Firepower, precision and reliability all packed into a laser-guided missile fired directly from the tank's barrel. The T-90 is already a formidable platform, but a tank is only as lethal as the punch it delivers. The Invar missile procurement strengthens India's armoured units at a time when modern battlefields demand range, accuracy and ability to defeat advanced armour. This deal is not just about missiles, it's about sustaining readiness, building indigenous capability and ensuring India's strike formations retain decisive superiority when it matters the most.